Let's talk about European luxury cars, because the internet treats them like a personality trait. You see one perfect photo, one clean interior shot, maybe a dramatic engine rev, and suddenly you're like, I need a luxury European car immediately. And I get it. European luxury cars can feel like a different world. Materials, comfort, engineering, and that quiet confidence you feel the second the door shuts. But if you're trying to learn everything about cars, especially everything about cars for beginners, here's the best starting point. Luxury isn't just price, luxury is experience. If you choose based on vibes alone, you can end up with a car that looks stunning online and feels annoying in real life. So today, I'll give you a beginner-friendly guide, basically how to know everything about cars in this category without spiraling. And we'll break it down by the choices people actually make. The best used European luxury cars Coupe, and even European luxury cars old. Because old luxury can be iconic, or it can become a hobby that eats your free time and your budget. First, what makes a European luxury car luxury? It's usually a mix of cabin quality and sound insulation, ride comfort and stability, steering and brake feel, tech that actually works for you, and the overall ownership experience. And yes, that last part matters, because luxury also means maintenance. European luxury can be amazing, but not always cheap to keep. That's why smart buyers think about depreciation, service history, and parts availability, especially if they're looking at the best used European luxury cars. Now let's talk categories. Category 1, Best Used European Luxury Cars, the smart entry point. Used can be the best value in luxury, but only if you do it like an adult. The best used European luxury cars usually come with clean service records, predictable maintenance schedules, and owners who treated the car like a machine, not a toy. Because when you buy used luxury, you're not only buying the car, you're inheriting the lifestyle of whoever had it before you. And you want the I did the maintenance early owner, not the I ignored that warning light as a personal challenge owner. Category 2, European luxury cars Coupe, style with trade-offs. Coupes look amazing, they feel special. They're the main character of the parking lot. But a coupe is also a trade-off. Less practicality, less rear comfort, sometimes a harsher ride, sometimes worse visibility. So if you're picking a coupe, be honest. Is this a weekend vibe car or your daily life? Because if you pick a coupe as a daily driver and then complain it's inconvenient, that's like wearing heels to a hike and blaming the mountain. Category 3, European luxury cars old, iconic or money pit. Old luxury can be gorgeous and timeless. It can feel like real craftsmanship. But here's the rule. Old luxury is only cheap at the moment of purchase. Ownership is where reality shows up. If you love classics, go for it. But treat it like a hobby, not a bargain. Now brands, because each one has a personality, and people ask about them constantly. European luxury cars BMW often feel sporty and daily friendly, with tech-heavy interiors. A lot of people start here because it blends luxury with, I still want to drive. European luxury cars Porsche are about precision and driving feel. For many people, this is the definition of European luxury cars driving. Not just speed, but how the car responds to you. European luxury cars. Bentley are grand touring comfort, heavy luxury, quiet power, and that arrive like you own the place energy. European luxury cars. Ferrari are emotion and adrenaline, not just transportation, it's an event. It's also a very specific ownership experience, and not really beginner used unless you're ready. And yes, people ask about Rolls Royce in European luxury cars because that's basically the top-end conversation. The most luxury European cars vibe. Comfort and presence turned up to a level where the car feels like it's floating. So how do you choose without getting overwhelmed? Don't choose the car first. Choose the category of experience you want. Do you want sporty daily luxury, quiet grand touring comfort, pure driving precision, dramatic supercar emotion, classic old school charm? Once you choose the experience, the model list becomes way easier. And here's the most practical beginner move. The real everything about cars for beginners trick. The most practical advice is this. Try before you buy. Not a 10-minute dealership test drive where everything feels exciting because it's new. I mean, drive it for a real day in your real life. City traffic, parking, highway, errands, whatever your lifestyle actually is. That's why renting can be such a smart step. If you want to explore European luxury cars without guessing, you can test the exact category you're considering. Used style daily luxury, coupe weekend vibe, or even an older luxury feel. And if you want a place where you can compare options and see conditions up front, you can rent through Get Rent a Car. It's a simple way to try luxury European cars before committing. Because the best luxury car isn't the one that looks good online. It's the one that fits your life and still makes you smile when you walk up to it.